I'm going to show you how you can do a booking appointment on your online store in Shopify. Now, this is something that's not natively available, so you have to go to the search bar up here and you want to search up something called booking like this. Now, on booking, you want to tap on this on Shopify store, App Store here, right? Just tap on that. Now, let's just wait for it to load here. Once it loads, you just need to pick on any which one of these appointment booking app you want. I recommend the one that just say free here. Now, every one of these will be slightly different, the way you install it and how you actually set it up. But I'm just going to guide you through a couple ones. So for example, I'm going to do appointment booking here, book easy, since this is just completely free. I'm going to tap on install like this. Now let's just wait for it to install. Once on this page, tap on this button to install. Once that's done, we need to do the setup, right? So first off, we have to enable it on our theme editor. Tap on this, enable, and then go to theme editor here. Now it'll redirect you onto your theme here. Let's just wait for it to load yet again. Once it loads, you want to enable Book Easy like this, and then tap on save on the button up here, right? Just wait for it to load again. Tap on save like this. And now Book Easy is enabled on our theme. Now let's go back to Book Easy here. Let's turn it on. Now you can see this is what it would look like. You can set your time zone. I'm going to set it to United States here. I'm going to tap on next. Now we need to link a product to our booking here, right? So let's just link a product real quick. So just tap on select product and I'm going to select consultation here. Tap on add. So tap on add and then tap on next. Now on next here, you can pick on what kind of appointment it is. Maybe I'm just going to do consultation, right? So it's a consultation and the appointment lead time is about 10 minutes or 10 minutes like this. And then include down working time as well. Number of days shown to customers, 30 days. You can also add in an appointment availability here. So like the time slots that's available. I'm going to keep it at default. I'm going to tap on next again. Now let's just wait for it to preview. Now you can see appointment is created or the booking is created. Now let's just tap on view in store. Now let's just wait for it to load here. Now you can see on consultation, you can see we can book our time here. If we tap on book our time, for example, we want to book it at 11 on the 11th and we can pick a time, tap on next, and then that's it. Now we can have a booking time and when we add to cart, the booking time will be added with the metadata as well.